这下好了，日子好过了。
儿臣，换钱喽，换钱喽！弟弟，是不是看到我们？
Officer, I want to exchange my money.
How much would you like to exchange?
I want to exchange it all.
Qiancheng Yuan Bao 15, Tianfu Yuan Bao 50, Tong Coin 50. Ma'am, you want to trade all of it?
Yes.
Are you sure about this, Mother?
The new money is good. We trade new money for a better life.
Mother, what shall we do with money?
Your brother said we buy a shop for you.
Look! You're a shopkeeper now!
Shopkeeper? Brother, you...
I don't need it. Legs are strong. I can earn a living peddling in the streets. Mother, let's use it for something else.
Your brother also said, when we have money, we'll eat buns every meal.
Every meal? Won't everyone be jealous of us?
You bought so many.
But if there are no more wars, Brother's words will truly come to pass.
No massacres, no fleeing, buns in every meal, a cure for every ill.
There really will be a day like